Hi, this is Caroline from SewCanShe.com, and I just made this beautiful infinity scarf in like a minute flat and no sewing. I did it right here in front of you, so let me show you how. So I have here, right out of the bundle, another piece of double gauze. Now this is the double gauze from RJR Fabrics from Cotton and Steel, but so many different companies are making it now that you can find it just about anywhere. So what we're going to do first is we've just got a half yard of double gauze fabric. And I'm going to test to see if it's going to come apart at the selvage. And if it does, then I'm going to have to sew this edge together. So let's just check. You see, double gauze is actually a double gauze, like 2 layers of very thin gauze fabric. And see here, it is starting to come apart, and there are these little threads that are breaking that hold it together. And also it's scrunching up a little bit, it's gathering a little bit, it's starting to look a little bit worn maybe, or it's awesome. Like, I love it. It's going to look like a designer scarf. So I'm pulling my double gauze apart, and since here's the selvage edge right here, the selvage on this brand of double gauze anyway holds it together. There's probably some kind of extra weaving in there, so I'm just not going to pull it super hard to break that, but I'm just going to pull it to the selvage edge there. And see here, you can see that I pulled all the way through. So I'm just going to separate the 2 layers of double gauze, and when I get to the other selvage edge, it will stop pulling again, and then I'll have an infinity scarf. Like, boom, infinity scarf. And it's got this beautiful little textured look to it with threads coming off it. I mean, if you don't like that, then don't do this, but I love it. Like, I think it's beautiful. I love the color, I love the feel. I hope you can see. Awesome. So I'm not even going to hem it. Say that you wanted it to be like long, like this, then feel free to just cut it open. Cut off one of the selvages before you get started, and then as you pull it apart, you have just made a long scarf. Then I tried it with this fabric because I was a little worried that if I did it with printed fabrics, half the scarf would be white and the other half would be the print, and maybe that would be okay, but I wasn't sure. So I just pulled it apart, and look, instant infinity scarf. Instant. And the printing, you can see that I have a light colored side and I have a dark colored side, which I think that's beautiful. And look at this. It's like the perfect length. It's a perfect infinity scarf, and I made it in 30 seconds. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. I have a ton of sewing tutorials on my website, SewCanShe.com. I invite you to come over, check them out, to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll see what I make next, and have a great day. Happy sewing!